Hi there, Lee here again. Today I'm going to demonstrate Awario's extensive Boolean capability. It doesn't matter which business you're in, you don't want to see irrelevant mentions in your feed. We've created Boolean Search to help you cut through the noise in order to collect results useful to your campaign. Boolean Search is available on all of our plans, including our free trial. To access Boolean Search, just hit the Switch to Boolean button on the Alert settings screen. If you're creating a new alert, you'll be prompted to enter an alert name. If you're doing this on an already existing alert, you'll find your details have transferred across to the Boolean window. Now, this box is where you'll create the expression. We can enter in single keywords such as Tesla, multiple keyword phrases in quotations like Tesla Motors. Search for keywords that include special characters by adding a plus. Search for case-sensitive keywords with 2 pluses, which is particularly useful for brand names that use fairly common wording, or use the near operator to find several keywords in close proximity to each other within the same sentence. To expand on near, I'll demonstrate it now. Entering in near 10, Tesla and Model X. We'll search for the words Tesla and Model X within 10 gaps of each other within any sentence. That 10 figure can be adjusted to whatever you'd like, depending on the necessary depth of your search. Using near 30 is typically ideal in order to collect all Twitter posts that mention my keywords. The expression error we're seeing is because it is important to separate these operators with either the and or operators. To clarify, and means that Awario searches for these two expressions together to find a mention. Any mentions that don't fit in with both expressions simultaneously will not be collected. Otherwise, we use or. This means Awario will collect mentions with either of my expressions. If you'd like to exclude words from the search, perhaps a business name or acronym that is similar to your own, we can use the and not operator. As there's always discussion around the man himself, Nikola Tesla, I want to exclude those mentions as they really aren't relevant to today's electric vehicle market. To do this, I'll first need to sort my previous expressions into a group, because the and not is unique in that it should be applied to all of your queries at once. Place the opening bracket in the very beginning of your query, and then likewise a closing bracket at the end. Now I'll type in and not, followed by the negative keyword I'd like applied to the entire query. Let's apply the language operator to the query in the form of lang. Following this, we'll enter in the 2-digit language code. We've got a full list of these codes over on our training center, so I'll enter in lang en in order to restrict the search to English language only. To add multiple languages, to separate them with a comma, like so. Lang, en, and de. Next, I'll apply the country filter in a similar fashion. Enter in country, followed by the 2-digit ISO code for any given country. For example, country AU, US, UK, and FR restricts the search to only mentions coming from Australia, the US, the UK, and France. Almost finished now. I want to find linkless mentions for this brand too. For that, we'll be grouping our brand's name, but then using and not to exclude any mentions that include a link. I'll type in Tesla, and not link tesla.com. This expression will now search for every linkless mention of Tesla. Lastly, I'll restrict the search to only the sources that I need. For that, we use the from operator. The from operator must always be placed at the very end of your Boolean query, so it gets applied to all of your operators at once. Yes, that means after and not as well. Let's type in from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and web. This will then collect mentions from only the sources in this query. This concludes our training series on the interface of Awario. Stay with me during the next set of videos where I'll be demonstrating some pro tips and tricks for you to make the most out of our tool.